In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can use the inclinometer with your flexibility and range of motion test to be able to measure angles and degrees for those particular tests. So you'll see here I've got the weight bearing lunge test up, and we know that we can measure angulation or degrees with it, as well as measuring the distance utilising the mat. And so we're going to use our smart device here with measures on it to be able to collect some range of motion data on the inclination of the tibia. So we're going to place this smart device on the front of the tibia as we teach in our mat courses. Now, to utilise all the in-app testing features, you've obviously got the play buttons there, which allow you to activate the feature. So in this case, I'm going to hit the play button on the left leg there, and it's going to bring up the inclinometer. And then all I do is simply hit the play button, and then the device and the inclinometer starts to work. It'll always reset itself to 0, so providing you're on a flat surface, which I think I am here, might be a little bit off. So apologies if you're watching this video and it's a little bit crooked. And then all you do is you tilt it sort of on the angulation for the particular body part that you're measuring. So in this case, it would be on the tibial inclination. And then once you're sort of at that maximum point, you just hit stop, and it'll save it there. And then all you do is you hit save, and then that populates it in the testing results area there. You can do the same obviously on the other side, or you can also manually enter the data. So if you have got another way that you want to do it, you can also manually enter in that data, and that can be a nice way to do it as well. Okay, but highly recommend using inclinometer feature built in there. It's quick, it's simple, it's easy, and it's accurate and reliable for the patients and clients that you work with.